Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a drone that's positioning itself as a serious tool for aerial photography and videography. The 4K HDR professional drone with Hasselblad camera. Right off the bat, the headline feature is that Hasselblad camera. It boasts a large 1-inch CMOS sensor, which is a significant step up for image quality in a drone of this class. This sensor size allows it to capture more light and detail, promising exceptional photos and videos, especially in challenging lighting conditions. The partnership with Hasselblad suggests a focus on color science and overall image fidelity, which is crucial for professional work. Beyond just photos, this drone is built for video creators. It supports 4K HDR video recording. This means you're not just getting high resolution, but also a wider dynamic range, resulting in footage that looks incredibly stunning and lifelike, with richer colors and better contrast between bright and dark areas. For anyone serious about cinematic aerial shots, 4K HDR is a must-have. Flight time is always a key concern, and this drone offers up to 31 minutes in the air. That's a solid duration that gives pilots more flexibility and time to compose their shots without constantly worrying about the battery level. Coupled with that is the OcuSync 2.0 transmission system, providing a robust video feed up to 8 kilometers away. The real-time auto switching helps maintain a stable connection, which is vital for confident long-range flying. Safety is paramount when flying, and this drone includes omnidirectional obstacle sensing. This means it can detect obstacles in multiple directions, adding a significant layer of protection during flight and making it much safer to navigate complex environments or fly autonomously. Physically, the drone is described with dimensions of 8.43 by 3.3 by 3.58 inches, presented in a sleek black finish. While these dimensions seem quite compact, suggesting portability, the feature set points to a powerful machine. In the box, you'll find the essentials to get started: propellers, a control stick, the battery, a USB Type-C cable for charging and data transfer, and of course, the camera itself. Overall, based on the specifications provided, this 4K HDR professional drone with Hasselblad camera appears to be a very capable platform aimed at serious enthusiasts and professionals. The combination of a high-end camera, advanced video features, good flight endurance, long-range transmission, and comprehensive safety features makes it a compelling option for capturing high-quality aerial content.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.